In this video, we're going to dive deep into a fundamental concept in React Native development, useState. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or looking to solidify your understanding, this video is for you. What is useState? useState is a built-in React hook function provided by React that allows you to add state to functional components in React and React Native. Think of state as the data that a component needs to remember and use over time. It can be anything from numbers, booleans, strings, to more complex data. Why do we use useState? Functional components, in the past, were stateless. They couldn't remember or update data. With useState, they can. This makes our components dynamic and interactive. They can respond to user actions and re-render with updated data. Syntax and usage. To use it, we first import useState from React. Create a state variable called count that holds the current state value. You can name it anything you like. Then create a setter function, setCount, which is the function returned by useState that you use to update the state. When you call useState, initial value, you provide an initial value for the state variable, in this case, count. This sets the initial state of your component. Create a text component to display the count variable value. Initially, no value is displayed because no value is initialized. Enter 0, and that is displayed in the text. Then create a button to update the state value. When you want to update the state, you call the setter function, in this case, setCount, with the new value you want to assign to the state variable. React then re-renders the component with the updated state. Create a function and call that function on the button onPress event. Call the setter function inside this function to update the state variable. The current state value, in this case, count, can be accessed within your JSX to dynamically render content based on that state. Here, we've created a simple counter component using useState. We can increment and display the count. In summary, useState is a powerful hook in React Native that allows functional components to manage their own state. By understanding how to use it effectively, you can create dynamic and interactive user interfaces in your React Native applications. Thank you for watching this tutorial on useState in React Native. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below.